Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanyu.
my name is Abhimanyu. Hello everyone, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. Today I'm going to talk about YouTube Music. I heard YouTube Music is a super cool app. One of the main feature of YouTube Music is you can even play the music when the screen is off. Just note, you can even play the music when the screen is off. You can search and listen to many music for free, including ads. But if you subscribe for it, the ads will go away and you will get more power features and can be saved as offline playback. See, only first time YouTube read YouTube Music and YouTube Premium subscribers are eligible for free trials. You will have a 3-month free trial and you will automatically charged unless you cancel during your trial. And then every month starting on the first billing date until you cancel your subscription, cancel anytime, you won't get any refunds and no credits for partial billing periods. In between, if you want to cancel the membership from YouTube Music or wherever you want, I will provide the link in the description below. And now let me open the YouTube Music and I will show how it works. Okay, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube Music and then install it. Okay guys, I installed YouTube Music on my phone. This is how it looks like. Okay, if I will select one artist, I will play one video and let me show how to switch that video into the audio mode. See, now the video is playing, and if you want to switch the video into audio mode, you just want to click the button over here in shape of YouTube's logo. Just click that button and it will automatically switch it to the audio mode. But you can only listen to the audio after subscribing. And also it allows us to play the music while the screen is off. But the app is free, but you can only hear to the music with ads only. And if you subscribe to it, there won't be any ads. The music will be free of ads. See, I didn't subscribe to YouTube Music yet. This video is specially for music lovers. In case if you want to hear to the music while the screen is off, you can subscribe for it. You will get 3 months free trial. After 3 months only they will start billing, which means 99 rupees per month. If you are traveling, you don't have to look at your phone like this and watch the entire video and listen to the music. You can switch the screen off and you can listen to the music as well. If you want to cancel the membership, just go to youtube.com/paid_memberships. I will provide the link in the description below. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. This video is specially for music lovers. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to share with your friends and families. This might be very useful for your friends as well. Cheers guys, thank you.